Spinach. Spinach means palak. Garlic. Garlic means lahsun. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Round gourd. Round gourd means tinda. Tamarind. Tamarind means imli. Jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathal. Point gourd. Point gourd means parval. Mint. Mint means podina. Sweet potato. Sweet potato means shakarkand. White goose foot. White goose foot means bathua. Asgard. Asgard means petha. Beetroot. Beetroot means chukunдар. Capsicum. Capsicum means shimla mirch. Mushroom. Mushroom means kukur mutta. Fenugreek. Fenugreek means methi patta. Chilies. Chilies means mirch.